everyone, my name is Kiandra from AP.
I'm Zizi from 8A.
And I'm Lana from 8A.
Today we'll be going to two locations, which are
Cipondok.
And Priok.
I hope our activity today goes really well, and I hope we get back to school safely.
I'm also really excited, and I hope that we can learn new experiences that will help us in our future.
We will learn how to process the food that we eat today. We will not eat alone, but we will also eat and share it with others.
Hi, my name is Sophia and I'm from 8B.
My name is Easton and I'm from 8C.
Hi, my name is Nayaka Aurelius. I'm from 8E.
So today, we gathered here to cook for the community around here and for the kids. And for the first part, we went cooking and we cooked vegetables. We cut them ourselves, and then we cooked tempeh and chicken, which we also packed inside the boxes to feed the kids.
we put rice in the box, and then we put some crackers in some plastic, like a foil plastic, and then we cook with ibu there. I cook mie goreng with Ibu Wulan.
And during the packing, we had to make the boxes ourselves, which was pretty complicated at first, but once we get used to it, it was pretty easy, and it was very satisfying to put all the food in that we have cooked.
So we did the distribution too. Everybody had the chance to distribute food to everybody in the community in this village, and we feel like proud of ourselves to giving it and trying this.
Do you think it's a fun new experience today?
Yeah, it's very fun. It's very fun. Like, we experience many things, and we can communicate with other peoples and know each other.
And thanks for all this chaotic but fun. I'm Bintang from Food Bank of Indonesia, and of course my friends there, Alifa. We want to say thank you for this event today. Goodbye and have a happy journey back to the school.